Hi, here we have an Orbit Couplings Flex Grip Open L. So it's the open because of the hinge, and it enables the clamp to open and wrap around the pipe. Great for being used as a pipe coupling or as a repair clamp, so you don't have to dismantle the pipe work to couple two pipes together or to seal a crack or hole. Having the opening function is a great feature. It costs more than a standard coupling or standard repair clamp, but much easier and faster to use. Available from Orbit Couplings in Australia. Thank you for watching.